we had 5,000 amps electricity to the building, or so I thought. That's what was previously there. And then when we moved in as the new tenants, somehow we lost those 5,000 amps. They pulled the transformer, same line was up there, but the line was those amps are no longer available at the street. So I did not target a building for having a lot of natural gas on site. That was just a fortunate coincidence. We had a main gas line out at our curb cut that was feeding a now defunct power plant, and that happened to be right out in front of our property. So that's the truth there. So we were very fortunate in that regard.
The cogen fell in your lap a little bit, would you say?
It was forced on us, I would say.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
I'd say the solar, we thought we were doing fine with just having solar, and I've designed the building to be as efficient as possible, to the tune of we've already gotten about 1.1 million in rebates back.
Wow.
And we have more to come. We're looking at
Great.
multi-millions for the cogens now.
Woo. Nice.
Yeah, thank you. So, but we thought that was enough until we found out that our interconnection was going to be with National Grid was going to be 27 months and $2.4 million due payable upfront, plus up to $1 million interconnect study. At this point, we were already well under construction.
Yep.
And I had to make a decision as to how we were going to get our power. We're currently net metered with the solar. So, and there's regulatory reasons why we can't bring it right behind the meter right away. With SRECs and everything that it's tied into. That was existing solar, so there's more strings attached to it. So I said I could either not have power for 2 years and be designed and built and not operational, or if we're going to pay that money for an interconnect fee, then I might as well own our own power assets. And that's what we did. That's how we got into it. I had to obviously go out for more funding to get these generators, and we work with Liberty Utilities, who was you guys work with here. They have been phenomenal to work with, and they were able to get us the high pressure gas lines we needed. And I say the rest is history. It was really a lot harder than that. You have to appear before Department of Resources and everything else and get permitted. But we are running on our own microgrid for about 3 or 4 months now, I'd say.
Great.
And that provides all of our power for the entire facility.